Next prayer point is you're going to cry, Lord, bring evidence to my Christian experience, that no one will look at my life and then I become a misrepresentation of who Jesus is because of the bankruptcy of fruit. When Jesus came and saw a fig tree that had leaves likened to transformation but no fruit, no result, he cursed it. Are we together? This is very important, that our hearts must be open to cry. Give me oil in my lamp, let my light never be dim. Keep me burning until the coming of the King. Say, give me oil in